Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get location of the unknown. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you the basic website. I find it easy for users to get the location of their unknown. So first of all, you go to Google search browser, then you search IP logger, just like this. Then you go to URL shortener, just here. Okay, for the URL shortener, so this purpose I'm going to use this URL shortener. I'm going to redirect the link we're going to create from this website to our own custom website, right? For in this case I'm going to use my website here. Then I create a shortened link. So this is a created shortened link and you can customize here. And first of all, before doing all of these things, you have to create an account for this IP logger website so that you can track the links, the clicks of that created link, right? So I'm going to copy this link. After I've copied this link, I want to paste it here into my browser. Then I click enter in. Then after that, as you can see, I have been redirected to my website here, as you can see, and this is my website which is loading right now and it is working. So, and if I go here and I reload the web page, I get one click unique, and as you can see here, Zimbabwe Online, this is the IP provider. Yeah, that's what it takes, guys, to get user unknown information like their IP address, and you can know where the location are there using this URL shortener or link shortener. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you. Bye.